What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And today's video is going to be an unboxing of something that I just got. I seen it on Concise the Barber's channel. He did a live upstream unboxing these specific guards from a company called Barber's Gold. If you haven't checked them out, go to their IG. It's barbers.gold, I believe. I'll put it up on the screen so you can check it out. They have their website link on their profile as well. You can go check that out. A lot of dope stuff they have that they sell. Clippers, gold trimmers, gold blades, gold clippers, a lot of gold stuff, different types of guards, and just different things that you can add to your arsenal. A lot of dope stuff on there, so go check it out. But anyways, like I said, I was watching a live stream from Concise the Barber, and he was doing this. So if you haven't followed his channel, go check out Concise the Barber on YouTube. Go follow him on IG. Check him out. A lot of dope content. He puts out pretty regularly. But we'll get to the box and we'll see what's in it.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
So here we got the Barber's Gold box. It took them from the day they processed it to the day they got it here was 3 days. So pretty fast shipping coming from Florida. With everything going on right now with the coronavirus, it's pretty dope for the package to get here so quickly. But let's get to the product. It is an assortment of colored guards that are magnetic as well. I just like the way they looked. I like the fact that it has magnets on the guards. I thought that was a dope concept to add to the clipper guard. They already have those type of guards for the Andis Masters, and they also fit on the Oster Fast Feeds as well. Just adding some magnet guards that could fit on wall clippers as well is a very dope concept, because I myself am a wall clipper user. I love the seniors, the magic clips, HOT cuts, the detailers, the heroes. I am all around wall user. So open up this box and we'll see what's in it. So in the box, we got a flyer. Barber's Gold has all their information on it, IG, phone number, website, everything on there. Like I said, they got gold everything.
Jane, gold all in my chain, gold all in my ring, gold all in my watch.
Gold detailers, gold metal magic clips, gold senior casings, everything gold. But they got gold everything on the website. Gold combs, gold guards. I saw a lot of different gold stuff, gold razor cartridges. So if you're into gold, that's the website, that's the profile to go check out. So we'll go ahead and show you guys what the guards look like. So this is the packaging for the guards. And I see that everything is gold on the inside as well, which I didn't think they were gonna be gold. On the website, I had seen that they were an assortment of colors, like clear plastic guards that they had that on the website. But these are magnetic, but all of the guards are gold in here, and you can see the magnet right there. And from what I've seen on Concise's channel is that these magnets are very strong. So yeah, I seen him pick up all the guards like that on his channel. But what I like about the magnet is that it'll help keep the guard on the clipper. I had an instance about 3 weeks ago. I had a client come in and he gets a 2 all the way around with a high taper. And so I go to put the 2 guard on the clipper, and the metal clip on the back of the guard was bending, you know, just from taking it off the clipper, putting it back on, and so forth, that it didn't attach to the actual blade of the clipper tightly anymore. So when I went to go take that clipper across the head, the guard fell off and I patched my client pretty bad. So having some magnets on the guard is going to be a win for me, because I don't want to go and fall into that situation again. But we will throw these guards on the clipper. I have the cordless wall senior. We'll see how they fit. So like I said, I have the wall cordless senior. I'm gonna go ahead and put the guard on, and that holds pretty snug, really snug. So I won't be having no patching moments anymore. But as you can see there, that's the 2 guard we got on there. Super flush with the blade. So I will be using these in a tutorial so we can see how these cut, but this is just an unboxing about what I received. The good thing about these guards is that they come half guard 1, 1.5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I really don't use anything above a 2 guard, but it was pretty cool that they included every guard that they have out there. So that was a dope thing that they included. But the only thing that, you know, like I said, I thought I had ordered the multicolor, like clear plastic guard, but I was reading the invoice, and on the invoice it says magnetic guards for wall babbleless clippers, gold magnetic guards. So what I'm thinking is that I didn't read the fine print properly on what I was ordering. But if you want to see what those guards look like, you can go to Concise the Barber's IG page, and you go to his IGTV uploads, and it's on there what they look like. But you know, I really do like the gold concept. They just weren't on the website at the time that I did order them, but I'm guessing that it just said it in words, not so much the pictures. So I wasn't paying attention to that, I'm pretty sure. But I like the concept. I do want to get a gold blade and a gold casing for the wall seniors and just get it all color matched. Probably order some gold combs and clips and stuff. Just go all gold. But that's the product. Barber's Gold, Barber's.gold on IG. Go check them out. Go order you some stuff. They got a lot of stuff on there. And like I said, shipping is super fast. So shout out to them for being able to accomplish that. And we'll see how these work when we get back in the shop. But appreciate you for checking out this video. I will say that I suggest them just based off what I see. You know, I would say go cop you some, but we'll see how they uphold in the shop during the haircuts. But if you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. Let's get the channel more exposure. Helps us out with the YouTube algorithm and just getting the videos out there suggested. Share this video with a friend, you know, if they're looking out for different types of tools in the game. Got a lot of haircut tutorials on my page. Check those out. Check out some of my previous product uploads. And also, we will be doing a Walmart clipper challenge here pretty soon. I just got the clippers today, and I'm gonna be finding somebody to take up the challenge and get their haircut with some Walmart clippers. We are about to hit 1,500 subscribers. At 2K, I will be giving away a 245 power mat, so stay tuned for that. Stay locked into the channel. Got more content coming soon. Got a mullet tutorial coming up this week. Just a lot in the arsenal that we're about to put out, so stay tuned. I appreciate you for clicking this video. Appreciate you taking the time to get through this product review. Shout out to Barber's Gold for, you know, the products that they sent me. Appreciate the magnetic guards, and hopefully they stand the test of time and can get me through a lot of haircuts and not fall off like those other guards I had. Also, once again, go check out Concise the Barber's channel. Go subscribe to him, check him out. Once again, shout out to Barber's Gold, and until next time, God bless.